Tap Settings. Tap About Phone. Then tap build number 7 times. Tap twice back button to go back to settings. Then scroll to bottom and tap developers options. Enable OEM unlocking and allow USB debugging. Power off Samsung. Then first plug in cable to laptop. Then hold volume up and volume down keys simultaneously. Then connect the USB-C cable to the device. Now you need to hold long volume up key. Read carefully what it means if you unlock the bootloader. If you want to continue, press volume up key.